This is Devin. Devin is world's first AI software engineer. Now, this is not like your traditional AI coding agent, something like Cursor or Windsurf or something like Bolt.new or Lovable.dev. Devin is a fully autonomous AI coding agent that just acts as your teammate. You can add it to Slack, then assign it some tasks, and then it will just like help you in your project. I have been using Devin for last almost a week now, and I'm actually using Devin for some of my most complex projects. Let me just give you a simple example. So this is one of the projects that I'm actually working on. This is like an invoice management app, and this project is on my computer inside VS Code. Once the basic version was ready, I pushed my code on GitHub. This is how my basic version actually looked like. Now on Devin, I gave it access to my GitHub repository, and after that I added Devin on Slack. I usually use Slack for all of my communications for all of my projects, so I just added Devin just as my teammate. And in here you can see I mentioned Devin and then asked Devin, can you tell me what GitHub repositories you have access to? And then Devin responded, and then it told me I have access to this GitHub repository. After that, I asked Devin to enhance the overall design of this project. So then Devin just started its work, and Devin just like started its planning first of all. So whenever you give Devin a task, so Devin actually goes ahead and then creates a plan for itself, and then it analyzes the entire code base as well, and then like create a proper action plan based on what exactly is needed to be done. So in here, in this particular use case, Devin actually identified that there is room for improvement in these different sections. So first of all, color scheme modernization, after that typography, and then there was card design, and after that there was form UX enhancements, navigation modernizations, and then dashboard layout optimization. So once Devin created all of that plan, then Devin also shared the screenshot of all of the code and all of the changings that it did inside the code. Once everything was ready and all of the changings that Devin made, Devin just took screenshot of all of the screens, and this is the enhanced user interface. So this is how this interface was looking like initially, and after enhancements, this is how this interface is looking like now. So Devin actually just took the screenshot of this entire interface, and for sure it looks much better than this version, of course. And you can see this is the second screen, and then this is the third screen. This looks like much better and much more enhanced and much more modern than the initial version. So once Devin made all of these different changings, after that I asked it to push these changings to main branch on GitHub. So what Devin did, Devin, just like as I told it, Devin pushed all of those changings on the main branch. So it also created a pull request, and also it deployed on Vercel as well, because I deployed that project on Vercel. So Devin deployed that project on Vercel as well. So this is the deployed project. All of these screens are deployed on Vercel, and everything is fully functional and fully working as expected. Also, this is a pull request, and Devin has actually requested to merge it on the main branch, and Devin shared a detailed summary of what it has done so far. So it has like mentioned all of the files that were modified. After that, it has like asked to review and test checklist for human. So it has mentioned that, okay, make sure that you review these changings. And then it also created a list of these different 5 items that needs to be verified. Also, Devin created this visual diagram to make us everything more easier and simpler for us to understand. So now I can just review this pull request, and after that I can simply just click on this merge pull request, and everything will be merged on our main GitHub repository. So Devin is not a vibe coding tool. This is something more serious, and this is like a proper autonomous AI agent and AI software engineer that can help you as your assistant. It can act as your assistant and then can help you to increase your productivity. So before we dive deep into this tutorial, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. So to start using Devin, just go to Devin.ai or just click on the link in description, and after that you'll see this landing page. Once you're here, you need to simply just click on this get started and then just sign up for Devin. In terms of pricing, you can just choose this core plan, and it is a pay as you go plan, which starts at $20. So once you have signed up, Devin will ask you to connect your GitHub. Just connect your GitHub account, and after that you can find all of your GitHub repositories right here inside Devin. And now you can just add any of your GitHub repositories inside Devin. You can either click on this index repo button or just click on this add to machine button. So let me just click on this add to machine button, and now what it will do, it will just start adding this project. I can simply just click on this verify command. After that, you can see Devin has its own terminal, Devin has its own code editor, Devin has even its own browser as well. So wherever it is required, Devin can actually use its own browser as well. So it's a complete autonomous AI agent that has all of its tools to act as a like proper fully AI software engineer. So right now Devin is just installing all of the dependencies for our project to make sure that everything is ready. Now you can directly assign any task to Devin from here, right from the Devin dashboard, or you can just like connect your Slack channel, and from there you can just like tag Devin the way actually I did, the way actually I showed you this entire demo. So you can just like tag Devin in here and then just ask it to do any sort of like task for any of your repositories. If you're a linear user, you can connect that too with Devin and it will actually enhance your productivity more. So Linear is a purpose-built tool for planning and building products. So you can totally use Linear and then connect it with Devin and it will actually help you to enhance your productivity. From here, I'll just choose one of my repositories, maybe this repository, and then I ask Devin to analyze this code base. Please analyze this code base and let me know if there are any potential issues. After that, I can simply just press enter or click on the start Devin button, and then what Devin will do, Devin will actually start analyzing this GitHub repository. So right now you can see it is just setting up everything and now it has like started its analysis. So here's the quick analysis based on my analysis of the agent tree web code base. Here are the potential issues identified. So quickly, like within just like literally few seconds, Devin had our analysis. So first of all is security issues, hard-coded external URL in footer link without validation. It has like mentioned a particular section on that file that okay, this is the particular line where there is a potential issue. After that, there is a missing input validation. Then there is a performance issue as well. Extremely long toast removal delay set to 1 million milliseconds, I think 16 plus minutes. So that too is a potential performance issue. Then there is a code quality issue, missing error boundaries for React components. Then there is accessibility issues as well. So then Devin has like this warning as well. So the analysis is still going on and Devin is still in action. So here is the summary of potential issues and now it has like listed all of the issues that it has mentioned already. So now we can just send like further messages to Devin, then like ask it to maybe fix those issues or like maybe like guide us in further how to fix those issues or like anything else that we want from Devin. We can just like send it any other message as well. Now similarly, you can just interact with Devin on Slack as well. What I can do, I can simply just like again tag Devin and then ask it to please build the onboarding flow for this project. Whenever user opens this website for the first time, there should be a screen that helps user to know more about its functionalities. So this is just like a random idea that I had in my mind, and then after that you can simply just press on enter. And now what Devin will do, it will just like go ahead, it will do its planning, and after that you can see it will actually start making any changings inside that project. So you can actually in real time track all of those changings in here inside the dashboard. Right now you can see on this dashboard it has this new task which is build onboarding flow. So now right now you can see we gave a task in here inside Slack and then Devin actually kind of planned everything in here. You can see all of these different like complete planning. Right now you can see Devin has already taken some screenshots and in here you can see we can like track progress in here as well. So build multi-step tour, highlight key features on making page. So like now right, like it's mentioning all of the code file that is actually going to change. So let's just go back to Slack and see the screenshots that it has shared. So these are the 4 screenshots. So this is the particular file that is going to change. So it is like sharing its progress in real time. So let's just wait for it to finish this task and see for the final results. Okay, you can see Devin is still going on. It has just created this plan overview, and let's just check in here as well on this dashboard. We can see the plan overview, and then I will now proceed with executing the plan. So now it will actually start executing this plan and then implement all of these different tasks that it has created for itself. You can see it has just finished this task and it has just created this pull request as well. I'll simply just open that and then here is the complete pull request. Similarly on Slack, it has just sent me this message that the pull request is ready. After that, it's saying that I'll monitor the pull request for results and let you know once it is ready for review. So now it is going to deploy and you can see there was a deployment error on Windsurf. So Devin has now noticed that there was a deployment error, so it is a deployment failure. And now you can see it has added this onboarding flow for the first time visitors and it has now just created this diagram as well. After that, it has now just shared the screenshot as well. So this is the onboarding flow that it created. So it was a trustless blockchain connectivity. It was like just related to that particular project. So this is the complete session URL. You can just like track all of the changings in here and you can see Devon is still investigating and still working on this project to investigating all of the Vercel deployment issues that it actually faced. So now it is going to attempt to build the project locally to diagnose the deployment failures. So whatever failures it is facing right now, it is just going to fix that and then try to redeploy on Vercel. But yeah, I mean, it has taken all of these screenshots and then it has created a really detailed diagram explaining what it has done so far, and still it is working on to fix that deployment issue. So this is just like having a proper full stack software engineer working on a project. So Devon is for real world complex projects. It actually acts as a proper AI software engineer, and then it actually works on the actual real issues inside your project. And even you can just give it a proper plan, and then Devon will actually start working on it on background. You don't have to even stick to your computer. You can just assign it a complete task, and then Devon will actually start working on all of those tasks one by one. And once finished, it will just inform you, just as your teammate on your Slack, that these tasks have been done. It will take screenshot of all of the changings, all of the code base, all of the changings that it has made on the code base, and even the front end design as well. So it's a super helpful AI companion, and it works like a real software engineer. Just go ahead, give it a try, and let me know in comment section what you think about Devon. I see you next video. Bye bye.